Hello and welcome back. In this video, we'll look at the ReLU function, and here what we have is the input tensor, which are just these values, and then uh, the result. So we have been calling this a result or output tensor. That is going to be the values after we get from the ReLU function. So what ReLU function does is it returns a value of 0 if for all the values that are 0 or below 0. That means the -1 becomes 0, 0 stays as 0, and only the positive values are returned as is. So when we run this, we see that the first two values are 0 and then the last three values are positive. If for some reason we change this to -3 and rerun this again, then you see that the negative sign -3 becomes 0. Only 1 and 2, +1 and +2, those are positive values, those stay as is in the output. If you need more explanation on the ReLU function, I've discussed this in further detail in previous videos in this particular series. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, please do let me know in the comments below. Thank you.